Many think handheld oscilloscopes lack precision and versatility. But is that really true for today's advanced tools? I'm an electronics engineer with over a decade of field experience. I've tested countless diagnostic devices in real-world environments. Let's break down what most portable scopes get wrong. Common issues: limited bandwidth, poor sampling, and short battery life. Many also lack true multimeter functionality or waveform generation. This leads to extra tools, wasted time, and missed details. But technology has evolved. Meet the OWON HDS2202S. This is not your average handheld oscilloscope. It's a 3-in-1 solution: oscilloscope, multimeter, and generator. You get 200 MHz bandwidth and 1 GSS real-time sampling. That's lab-grade performance in the palm of your hand. Dual channels let you compare signals side by side. The high-resolution 3.5-inch color display shows every detail. No more squinting or second-guessing waveforms in the field. USB Type-C interface means fast charging and easy data export. The rugged design withstands drops in tough environments. Over 4 hours of battery life keeps you working longer. Replace batteries easily, no downtime, even on long jobs. Integrated waveform generator supports multiple signal types. Simulate, test, and troubleshoot with just one device. True RMS 20,000 count multimeter ensures accurate measurements. Dual acquisition modes and deep storage capture complex events. Multiple auto and cursor measurements speed up diagnostics. Save and export waveforms directly via USB-C. Let's see it in action on a real project. I use the HDS2202S to diagnose a power supply issue. With dual channels, I compared input and output in real time. The high refresh rate captured transient glitches instantly. Switching to multimeter mode, I verified voltage and current. The generator simulated missing signals for component testing. All steps done seamlessly, no tool swapping, no delays. Results were precise, reliable, and easy to document. This tool saves time and reduces errors in the field. It's trusted by engineers, technicians, and educators alike. Whether troubleshooting, teaching, or prototyping, it delivers. Don't settle for outdated single-function devices anymore. Upgrade to the OWON HDS2202S for true professional results. Experience lab-level diagnostics wherever you work. Click the link to learn more or order yours today. OWON HDS2202S, precision, power, and portability in one.